Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin this evening with a Primetime News exclusive. The financial challenges facing the Hydel group of schools is deeper than the track and field program.
Due to mounting debt, the process has begun for a change of status from a private to a public school.
And as you'll hear in this report, the Ministry of Education has assumed full responsibility for the cost of the operations.
Well-informed sources told TVJ News that the school is in a financial bind that could see the closure or relocation of the Ferry Pen-based private institution. 1. The school has millions of dollars in debt, including to the lease owner of the property, and as a result, the school is facing eviction. The Hydel group of schools consists of the preschool, junior preparatory school, and the high school, which means the fate of hundreds of students hangs in the balance, just like its participation in the upcoming ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. We unsuccessfully tried to get a response from the principal of the school, Dr. Walton Small, regarding the school's future. However, when we contacted the Education Ministry, the ministry confirmed that it assumed full responsibility for the cost of operations at the Hydel group of schools in 2022. In a statement, the ministry said it followed a request from Hydel to transition to a public institution, given their expressed financial challenges to continue as a private school at the time. The statement said, in the interest of the children, staff, and by extension the school, the government through the Ministry of Education agreed to commence the process to transition the school to a public school. And so, while that is ongoing, the school receives all the grants that all high schools are given to include staffing costs for the academic, admin, and support staff, and the government also carries the cost for utilities. However, that would not cover all the millions of dollars the school owed to private institutions before the ministry's intervention, which means the school is still heavily in debt. Regarding the present issues at the institution, the ministry also indicated that the principal, who is the chief executive officer for the school, has not reported any operational challenges to the ministry. Despite that, going forward, the government promises to follow up with the leadership of the school to provide guidance where possible.